Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make snake guard recipe or Padavalanga Thoran. Heat oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, you can add a pinch of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, you can add half cup of onion. Once the onion is slightly translucent, you can add your snake guard, which is chopped into tiny pieces like this. It's almost like 1.5 cup. Add salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then stir. And let it cook for 2-3 minutes. In the meantime, you can grind half cup of shredded coconut and 3 green chili and add that mixture into this. And then stir. You don't have to add any more water because snake guard already has water in it, so it will cook in the same water. After a few minutes, the snake guard will change its color and the water will be all dried out. That's when the recipe is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can get the notification. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.